Okay, coaches, we're going to get started with the league dashboard. This is pretty straightforward here. We're going to create, first of all, your conference that you currently play in, the division that you play in. You must select a division, even if there's only one. We'll name it Maine. And then we're going to create your school and set you as the primary school. Let's click right over here on league dashboard. Pretty straightforward in what we have here. We have a minimize and add. You can see I've added some conferences before. For here, we're going to create a demo conference. So clicking over here on add conference, just type in the name of your conference first that you're going to be in, that you currently play in. Click to save the conference. We're going to go ahead and add division. You do need to add a division, even if you don't have one. If you're a one conference school with no split divisions, just name it the main division. And then we're going to add the school. You're going to add your school, and then you don't see it here, but it's going to say set as primary school. After you name your school here, you don't see it, but you will set as primary. And then once you set it, you'll notice that your school will now have a star next to it. So in this example, my high school is Downers South. That sets it for there. Remember that every play is tied to a team, okay, our installs. So whenever we're doing something throughout the week and we're putting a call sheet together, when we get into the weekly game plan, we'll need to have practices that are set to the schedule and to these teams so we can go back and look at what we've done in the past, create some history, do some tendency reports, and things like that. Pretty straightforward. Make sure you set yourself as the primary team, add your non-conference and conference games, and get moving forward with coach tactics. Thank you.